Experience the power of probiotic skincare with the Discovery Kit from one of our signature skincare brands at Universal Companies, LaFlore. The first step in your routine is going to be the Enzymatic Cleanser. This cleanser gently washes away makeup and pollutants and helps balance the complex ecosystem of your skin, known as the microbiome, for optimum overnight replenishment and recovery. What I love about LaFleur is it's for all skin types. So I personally have combination skin, and this line has just meshed so well with my skin. So as you can see, the consistency, it's really creamy. I also love that it doesn't leave that tight feeling in my skin. The smell is also incredible. It smells like spearmint. It's like an aromatherapy treatment while you're washing your face. Next up, we have the live Probiotic Concentrated Serum. This serum is formulated with live probiotic and will help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. You're going to use this serum once daily, preferably in the evening. This is only the second step in the routine, and I'm already seeing visible differences in my skin. Next up, we have the Daily Defense Moisturizer. This is packed with vitamin D3, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. It will help hydrate and plump the skin instantly. I feel like this really seals the deal. And this can be used morning and night. Lastly, we have the bonus step. It's the longevity oil. It consists of a cold-pressed omega balance blend, and it's crafted to soothe, nourish, and brighten the skin. As I mentioned earlier, I have combination skin, so oils can be very intimidating to someone with combination skin. This one, my skin just loves. It's awesome that you're getting this glowy skin while also benefiting your skin with live probiotic. And that's it. Probably less than 5 minutes and you've completed your skincare regimen for the day or night with the LaFleur Discovery Kit.